Hi everyone, so I have a Walmart Christmas haul to share with you guys. They are putting out some really good stuff, so I wanted to share what I picked up today. And let's start with the Christmas paper. I found this Nightmare Before Christmas paper right here, and it just appears to have Zero and Jack on it. So I grabbed that one, and then I grabbed another one that's Nightmare Before Christmas that has Sally and Jack. And it just repeats, and I don't see any other characters on that one. And then the last one I picked up was Baby Yoda. And look at how cute the little ornament right here. And then there's like the little butterfly and the frog. And I think that's all the little Baby Yodas on here. So I grabbed those. And those were, I think, $3 a piece. Let me see if I can find a price. It doesn't, oh, there it is. It was $2.98, so $3. And then I picked up a bunch of ornaments. Oh, this is Sunny's hair gel. Sunny Boy has a mohawk, so that's his hair gel there. And then he wanted these little capsules that grow into little sponges, so those were $1. And then look at this one. If they would have had more, I would have bought every single one that they had. They were $2, I think. Yeah, $1.98. But look at this. It lights up. It has a single light right here. How cute is this? A little shadow box with the light already for $2. I hope I can find more of these because I will definitely snatch them up in a heartbeat. For $2, that is a steal. So you could definitely take this out and redecorate it. But since this is the only one I found, I kind of want to leave this one in the original form. And hopefully I can find more that I can take apart and redecorate. So I got that one. And then I found this other one. Now you guys know I don't like birds. I was attacked by a bird as a kid, so I don't like birds. So I definitely want to take this bird out and redecorate the inside. So this one was $2 as well. They did have a bunch of these, and I only got one because I'm not sure if I could take this one apart, because I do love the little acetate right here that says Merry Christmas on it. But I'm thinking it's not going to be hard now that I'm looking at it. It just looks like it was hot glued right there. I definitely should have bought more of these. I bet you I could take this apart no problem and go ahead and make a different shadow box scene out of it. Yeah, I should have bought more of these. So next time I'm at Walmart, I'll probably grab a couple more of these so I can alter them. So I got that. And then this was the only one that I found, and I wish there would have been more because I love this 25 cents and 5 cents little charms. So, well, I say charms because I'm going to use them as dangle charms, but they're technically mini ornaments, and they were $1.98. And oh, this one was really, really cute. This one was $2.98. And there is supposedly 24 boxes in here. So you can have like a little advent calendar. I thought these were really cute. These houses are so tiny. They're probably like 2 inches. But they look really cute. And then you can just put a sticker on the roof to go ahead and number them off. So I got this one because I love having advent calendars. I made one a few years ago. It's made out of like a little mini shoe rack, like hanger, and I did advent calendars for all the kids on that one. So I just love those. So here is another set of the mini ornaments. It was $1.98. I just got this one. The colors are not bright at all. It's very like muted color, which I thought was different. So again, I'm going to use these just to make little dangle charms out of. So I got those. And then the same thing with these. This is a very light pink. And on this one, you can't really see the Let It Snow, but it was the best one I could find because a ton of them were missing bows. And they weren't even like laying around that I figured like, oh, if I can find the bows, you know, I'll take the bows home and re-glue it. But there wasn't even any around. Like I moved the stuff on the bottom because these were hanging up and I didn't find them. So That was the best one I could find. And then I got these little Nomi homies right here. How cute are they in their little rainbow hats? I thought those were so cute. And they don't even scream Christmas to me. They're cute. So I definitely needed those because I thought they were so cute. And look at this one. It has like a rainbow beard. So cute. This one I don't really like. You can see like the line of the beard. That was the only one that looked like really noticeable. But yeah, I loved this one with his little rainbow beard. So cute. It reminds me of like a mermaid gnome. So I got that one. And I had bought this one before, but I regretted not getting two because it was just so pretty. So $1.98, I picked up another one of those. And then I found these that I thought were really cute, $1.58. And look at how cute the back is, the little button. I thought that was really cute. So I got one of those. And this was a repurchase. I had bought these before and I said that I had hoped to find more because I wanted to pick up some more. So I got two today and I had got two before. So now I'm done and I want to go ahead and take these apart and change them up so that they fit more my style. And I got a bunch of paint. So I have a yellow, a green, a black, and a red. And let's see. Oh, did this one spill? Did that come like that? This might have came like that. I didn't even notice. So I have a purple and an orange. And a darker purple. And then I found this little gingerbread girl. I thought she was so cute. She was the only one there. It was bugging me that her little, buttons are not centered, So that was bugging me, but she was the only one there. And $1.98. So I snatched her up. I thought she was really cute anyways. And that's what the back looks like. It's just like a clay material. So I thought she was really cute. And definitely inspiring that I can go ahead and make my own. And then there was this Merry Christmas ribbon, and this one comes with a lot. 25 feet for $2.58. I thought that was a really good deal. And since there's so much, this will be really easy to share in like swaps or Happy Mail that I do. So I got that one. And then this one I got for myself just because I think it's funny. Big old bag of coal, 100% natural. I thought that was funny. So that was $2 as well. So I'm not going to give this to anybody because I don't know if people can take, like a joke like that. So that's just for me and I'll keep for myself. Oh, look, here's more paint. I have a white and a lime green. I'm going to do an upcoming project with those to share with you guys. And then we found this Santa Claus. How cute is he? Look at, he has little glasses in his face. I want to repaint his beard. And other than that, that's pretty much it. Maybe I'll add a jingle bell. Definitely a pom-pom to his hat. But I thought he was really cute. His little hands, his little belt, his little fur coat, his boots. He's got a little bundle of wood over here with some berries. I might add a couple more berries and maybe some greenery. But yeah, I thought he was adorable. Again, $1.98. Their deals on their ornaments are so good because they're really nice. I love those. And then I also bought this Star Wars bag. Now this bag was in the Halloween section and it was $4. It was like $3 something. I don't remember how much it was, but basically $4. And I just thought it was cool. There were so many stormtroopers and then Darth Vader right here. And then the pattern just kind of repeats everywhere. And then along the side of the bag, it says Star Wars. So I got that bag to hold all of my stuff. And then I have some more stuff over here. Okay, so I went to Walmart because my subby, Miss D, told me that there is now E6000 jewelry glue and that it works well to make Poke Tools. So that's what I went for, was my pickup. So since I was already there, I figured let's go ahead and get down and go see what's available. So yeah, going for this made me get all of this. So it comes with little knobs up here so you can change out the tip. And then it's called a jewelry and bead glue. So I'm definitely going to use this out and test it out and see how well it works for Poke Tools. And then back to the stuff that I got down and bought. There were these little reindeers right here. Again, I want to use these as charms, not as ornaments. So I just thought these were really cute, but I definitely want to paint them, you know, like paint their sweater maybe red or green. I think it would be really, really cute. So I got those. And then over here, we have a little gingerbread looking house, but it's got like a wood background. So not necessarily a cookie, because you can see like there's a little wood, but I thought that was really cute. And these were 98 cents. And this one was under $4. I think it was like $3.88 or something. So again, $4 for that one. And then this one was 98 cents. And I just loved the vintage look of him. He's really, really cute. So I got that one. I didn't even know it has like little streaks to it. Oh, I don't like that. But I got that Santa. And this one was 98 cents. Again, the little vintagey vibes. And there was the red truck one. I love that one. So that was 98 cents. And this was the only one there, and I was really excited to find it. It was $5.48. And it's Jack and Sally. How cute is this one? Merry Scary Holidays. I thought that was so, so cute. And it was the only one, and it was like pretty well. Like it wasn't damaged. So I was really surprised to find that one. And then I like buying the new Oreos. So they have the winter ones. And it appears that the frosting is red in that one. And then I just needed just some Sharpies, but the fine tip one, mine always go missing. I have no idea where they go or who snatches them up, so I just needed more of those. And that's it. That's everything that I picked up from Walmart in this trip. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.